Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Splash of Sparkle Specialty Designer Series paper. This was a January 2026 online exclusive, and it's a bunch of fun paper. We have the Cutest Crew stamp set. I have the dies here, but we won't be using the dies. I just wanted to show that you can purchase these two in a bundle and save 10%, or you can buy one individually if you like, okay? So these are some of the products we're going to be using, but of course, before we start our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first up, we have our Lakeside Retreat Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to make 9 cards. The classic stamping spot is Peaceful Pine. Our Wonderful Scenes add-on dies coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits, and the item number for that is 168665, and the cost is $13. I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our product of the month. This product will be featured on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. I just don't have the printed flyer right now. So you can get the exclusive product of the month for only $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order after discounts and rewards, but before shipping and tax, okay? Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. This is when you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. You track and save those rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and those rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is get our card base and the inside of our card and put that together. So I have some Highland Heather here that is 5 by 3 3/4, and we're going to put this basic white that is 3.5 by 5, 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to just take some Stampin' Seal to put our Designer Series paper on. This is 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5 to fit along the bottom of this cardstock. Take my scissors, cut off the extra, and get this added onto the Highland Heather. Like this. Then we're going to add this onto the inside of our card base, which is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to burnish this down. Try to keep our card closed there. Okay. So then I have some Highland Heather here that is 5 by 3 3/4. And the Designer Series paper is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to go ahead and let me get my liquid glue and put these two together. I love this side of the paper, the stripes, but I wanted to use the specialty side, and I like these colors. So that's what we're using. It's a fun pack of paper. And then we're going to add this to our card base. We're just gonna, I think I want to put it like this. We're gonna set that right in the middle of our card base there, just like that. Okay, so then I have another piece of the Designer Series paper. It's from the same pack, it's just a different sheet, and we're gonna do some stamping on this. This is 1 3/4 by 4, and where's my lid? We're gonna do some stamping of the cats in basic gray. So we're going to ink this up, and we're just going to stamp this right at the bottom here. Just like that. I went a little too close to the bottom. And I can't flip it over because it's Designer Series paper. Okay, so we'll just have to use it the way it is. We have Gorgeous Grape here, and we're going to stamp our sentiment that says, "Have the best day." And I'm just going to put that right here in the center as I can get it. Just like that. Gorgeous grape is gorgeous. Okay. Next, we are going to get some Stampin' Blends, and we're going to color our cats in. So I'm going to use some light smoky slate. And I'm going to color like every third cat. So this one will be light smoky slate as well. Now, I didn't do anything ahead of time, so we're going to color in all of our cats. Okay, and then we're going to do light Highland Heather. That's fresh freesia. We want Highland Heather. They look so similar. So this is a little darker than the gray, but, and I know there's no purple cats, but you know, there are also no paper cats either, so I can color it a little off from the original color. So this one is going to be Highland Heather as well. These are some playful cats, boy. Look at these stances they're in. They're ready to get into some things. And the last one we're going to do bubble bath, dark bubble bath. Okay. I can get my lid off. Bubble bath is one of the colors that is in this designer series paper. Just like that. Then I think I want to do the butterflies in dark Highland Heather. I think. Yeah. Let's do in Highland Heather. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's going to be a lot of purple on here. I didn't want to add too many colors because the side of the designer series paper I'm using doesn't have much color. Just 2 colors and some metallic. So that is that. Okay, then I have another sheet of designer series paper here. This is a 1/2 inch by 3. It's actually the same paper. So I'm just going to add this to the bottom of this. And the way I'm going to do that, let me get my Stampin' Seal here. And I'm just going to add a little bit to the bottom of our piece here. And I just want to add this on. Out like that. Let me see. Okay, so we have that. Oh, I forgot I put it all over. So we have that done. So now I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're going to pop this up on our card. So let me get my dimensionals here. So put one in each corner if I can get it off my finger. We're going to put some across here just to make sure that doesn't stick down to that. And I'm going to probably use all of these dimensionals. You guys know how I am about my dimensionals. I need to put some down here. Make sure that this is popped up. Get a little edge piece here to put right there, just like that, and this spot looks a little empty. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I'm not going to torture you anymore watching me put all these dimensionals on. Now you can just watch me remove all the backings. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, I didn't grab it. Come on. Get all these backs off of here. Then we're going to add this to our card. We're going to put this about right here, like this, just like that. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some bling, and I have the basic rhinestone jewels here. I thought these would be appropriate to mimic the, what is that? The silver foiling, or is it holographic? I think it's holographic. So we're going to use a couple of these. So let's see. Let's put some in this empty spot here. Get a little one, just like that. Do I want more? No, I think that's good. Okay, you guys, what do you think? Have the best day. Aren't those cats so cute? I'm gonna make another card using the die. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that I was not too happy with this card because I stamped it too low, and then the colors came out a little darker than I wanted with the Highland Heather. So I went ahead and made a second version of this where I did use the dies, even though I told you guys I wasn't using the dies. I made a second version and I did use the dies, and it looks like this. So I just stamped the kitties on a basic white and die cut it out. And then instead of just leaving this little 1/2 inch piece plain, I die cut it with one of the dies with the paw print. And yeah, that's basically the only thing I changed. So that is the project. Tell me which version you like down in the comments below, okay? All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.